Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is how to get rid of a cough, something that most of us have experienced at some point in our lives. Coughing can be irritating and sometimes even painful, but there are some natural remedies that can help you get rid of it. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you ease your cough and get back to feeling your best. Causes of a cough. First, let's talk about the different causes of a cough. A cough can be caused by a variety of things, such as allergies, cold or flu, bronchitis, asthma, or even smoking. It's important to identify the cause of your cough to determine the best course of action for getting rid of it. Natural remedies. Now that we've covered the causes of a cough, let's move on to some natural remedies that can help you ease your cough. One of the most effective remedies is honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that can help soothe your throat and suppress your cough. Simply mix a tablespoon of honey with warm water or tea and drink it a few times a day. Another natural remedy is steam. Steam can help loosen mucus and phlegm in your throat and ease your cough. You can use a humidifier or take a hot shower to create steam and breathe it in for 10 to 15 minutes. Lifestyle changes. In addition to natural remedies, there are also some lifestyle changes you can make to help get rid of your cough. One of the most important things is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids can help thin out mucus and make it easier to cough up. Another important lifestyle change is to avoid irritants such as smoke, pollution, or strong chemicals. These irritants can worsen your cough and make it harder to get rid of. When to seek medical attention. Finally, it's important to know when to seek medical attention for your cough. If your cough lasts for more than a few weeks, is accompanied by chest pain or difficulty breathing, or if you cough up blood, it's important to see a doctor. These symptoms could be a sign of a more serious condition. In conclusion, there are many natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can help you get rid of a cough. Honey, steam, staying hydrated, and avoiding irritants are just a few examples. Remember to identify the cause of your cough and seek medical attention if necessary. We hope these tips and tricks help you get back to feeling your best. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.